Aharanga password ahmada libuna hisabong and aharanga account avade mihuna DM koheti. Adi aharanga photo ta edit kogen post kori. Eki koeggoto masake kogen account ta ahanna ambura libung iru it was too late. MMS aharan view kurago change me. They started hating me. Hekvi wahaka public ko bunimawes no one believed me. Mihung aharang unfollow kuri adi kuring aharang na eki masake kuri brands tawes stopped collaborating with me. Aharang ekko going husse mayusvi. College at DSWS I started getting panic attacks. Ehme bera diumes huttaling. My only support system was Ailaya close friends. Emihung aharana medu evesiraku doubt nukure. Aharenge wahakata gabul kuri. Then midwas koro emme surprising kamaka vi messages from other women who had gone through the same thing. Me aharen kuring danna bayanung ekam it felt so great to know I wasn't alone. Then we got the key